Daily meals. We eat at least 3 meals a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We eat different foods in each meals. Breakfast. Meal that we have in morning. Examples: bread and butter, milk with cornflakes, eggs and fruit. Lunch. Meal that we have in afternoon. Example: bread, vegetables, curd or rice and pulses. Dinner. Meal that we have at night. Examples: pancake, salad, vegetables and pasta. Snacks. Food between meals is called snacks. Example: banana, nuts and corn. Food that baby eats is different from the food that we eat. Different families eat different food. Now move on to sources of food. Food from plants. We get food from plants like fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts. Cereals are wheat, rice, corn and oats. Pulses are kidney beans, Bengal gram. Nuts are almonds, cashews and walnuts. Food from animals. We get eggs, meat, chicken and fish from animals. Things made from milk are curd, butter, cheese, cream and yogurt. We also get honey. Raw and cooked food. Some foods are eaten raw. Raw means food eaten without cooking. We can eat fruits and vegetables like carrot, cabbage, tomatoes raw. Food that is eaten after is cooked. Cereals, pulses, chicken and vegetables are eaten after it is cooked. Healthy food. Healthy food helps us to grow strong and stay fit. Unhealthy food makes us sick and unfit. Unhealthy foods are fried food, cheesy food and food with lots of sugar. These are called junk food. Eating junk food makes us sick. We should not eat food from uncovered pans and dirty places. It can have germs and make us sick. Healthy food is food that is good for health. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Doodle.